During winter, upper respiratory tract infections become very common. URTI is an infection of the nose, throat, and sinuses.
Include runny nose, cough, sore throat.
Most URTIs are caused by viruses, so antibiotics are usually not required.
Warm fluids, adequate rest, steam inhalation, and good hand hygiene help recovery.
Consult a doctor if there is high fever, breathing difficulty, or symptoms persist for more than 5 days.
Stay safe this winter. Use antibiotics only on medical advice.